Stage 4. Question number 1. Could you tell me a little about yourself? Hello, my name is Carlos Andrés Baraja Rueda. I am a food engineering student in Bucaramanga City. I like to exercise, travel around the country, know beautiful places, and share with my family and friends. I am 23 years old. I live in Florida Blanca, Los Andes neighborhood. Question number 4. Why do you want to work for this company? After learning more about this company, I am sure I can help you find ways to manage production more efficiently and effectively. Question number 3. What are your goals for the future? I want to finish my studies, organize myself with my partner, start my own company, and travel to the other country, know different cultures. This is my goals. Question number 4. What are your greatest strengths and weakness? I consider it that I am good at listening to people. I am good, assertive, and organized leader. For my weakness, the fear on knowledge, I consider it to be my biggest obstacle. Question number 5. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skill that you transferred from your previous line of work to our department here? Mainly, I like this profession. I have the opportunity to study a lot about the world of food. I consider it that it is what I like. When one like something, they do it. They do it with love. Thank you.